So, Linux is coming to your phones now, huh? It's about time. Welcome to the 21st century, Linux, Ubuntu, Debian. All those Linux distros should have been on phones, Just saying. Anyway, y'all looking at me like, huh? Listen to, oh, by the way, hello, viewers. Another beautiful day, by the way. Hope your five senses work, health and strength is good or excellent. All right, listen to this. Someone is bringing Fedora Linux to phones, and it's not Red Hat. Says here, a small community project is building immutable Fedora image for tablets and phones. Come on now. If they got Apple and Windows on phones, Linux should have been did this. But anyway, I'm sitting here messing with y'all. Anyway, says here, whoops. See if I can get this. It says here, the mobile Linux space is more active than most people realize. Projects like Postmarket OS, Ubuntu Touch, and KDE Plasma Mobile have been chipping away at the idea that your phone or tablet has to run something made by Google or Apple. And while none of them are household names yet, they are picking up real interest from power users who want more control over their hardware. Of course, most people stick with Android and iOS, and that is fine. Both platforms are mature, well supported, and not going anywhere. But for the ones who want something genuinely open and free of platform lock-in things and getting better, one such offering is Fedora Pocket Blue Remix, which is a community-powered project that offers Fedora Atomic Image for mobile devices. Says here, Fedora Pocket Blue Remix. What's in store? It says here, this piece of software is a work in progress. Don't risk your daily driver mobile device with this. Use a spare. Says here, before getting into the project, first let's talk about what Fedora Atomic actually is and why it matters. Here, it says traditional Linux installation are what you might call mutable. You install packages, tweak configs, and over time the system drifts from its original state. That is fine for general use, but it can lead to breakage and make it harder to reliable recover a broken system. It says with Fedora Atomic, the base system reads only and strays that way. Updates are applied as complete image swap rather than individual package changes, similar in concept to how SteamOS handles updates on the Steam Deck. If something goes wrong, you can roll back to the previous image. Pocket Blue takes this foundation and adapts it for mobile hardware. Under the hood, it uses a OC container, OS tree, and boot C to build and distribute system image. They are built on top of the upstream Fedora Atomic image, Silver Blue, and Kyanite. So this is not a form scratch derivative. Says here, the available image vary slightly by device, but most supported hardware gets 5 variants with different interface options: Genome Desktop, Genome Mobile, Plasma Desktop, Plasma Mobile, and Fosh. Says here, says the Orange Pi 3 LTS gets 1 extra option, a TTY image for a headless no desktop setup. Says here, as for what supported, the current list includes the Zomi Pad 5, Zomi Pad 6, OnePlus 6 and 6T, Zomi Pico F1, and the Orange Pi 3 LTS. A side note, the OnePlus 6/6T and Poco F1 both run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon M845 chipset, which has seen strong mainline Linux support over the years, thanks to the community efforts. Then it says the source code lives on GitHub, and the documentation sits is a useful resource to get Fedora Pocket Blue Remix installed on supported devices. There are also Matrix and Telegram communities for support and discussions. Well, that's a good thing. You know, change with the times. You know, take advantage of these your tablets, phones. Of course, you already taking advantage of laptop and desktop. Hey, why not? You know, don't get left behind. You know, if Apple and Windows can work on a tablet and phones, then why not Linux? You know. So yeah, man, good move on this community-driven project. So yeah, you know, these Linux fans are hardcore, so they love their Linux. So if their I guess their attitude is like, okay, if Windows can do it, so can Linux. Or better yet, if Apple can do it, so can Linux. So yeah, not keeping up with the times, man. You know, you have to meet your customers, your user base needs. You know, in today's time, when it comes to operating system wise and tech, you know, got to keep up, man. So, well, we'll see if Ubuntu and the other OS make the same take the same steps, you know. Yeah, bring their OS to the phones and tablets. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this video for y'all to enjoy. Hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye for now.